Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and today I'm going to show you how to create onboarding emails for new users using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Onboarding emails are vital to welcome new users, guide them through your product, and increase engagement. When using ChatGPT, clearly specify your product type and the goals of your onboarding series. For example, you might say, create a sequence of 3 friendly and informative onboarding emails for new users of a fitness apps. ChatGPT will generate emails that introduce your product's future, provide helpful tips, and encourage users to take action, such as completing their profile or trying a key feature. Make sure to review and personalize each email to match your brand's tone and style. A well-crafted onboarding email sequence can boost users' retention and satisfaction. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest the best timing and frequency for sending each email in the sequence. And that's that, guys. Now you have learned how to design effective onboarding email sequences quickly and professionally with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.